Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about how to unblock an organization we have blocked already. So we have to log in Fresa Application. I have already logged in, so I am using that. In the menu bar you can see here some list, select on the masters. Now scroll down to find the organization tab. In the organization name, you have to select the organization you are going to unblock. Then click on the submit button. Now you can see the name of the organization and the code of the organization and the status of the organization. So click on that. You can see here the organization details. Now select the change status tab. An organization can be blocked for many reasons, whether it may be for the unpayment or whether it is created as a duplicate one. So if you want to make the organization as active, change the new status option from block to active. That is, select here active option and then save. Now the organization status has changed. Hope this video will be very helpful for you to change the status of the organization you have created. Thank you so much.